6 fair dice are thrown 729 times. How many times do you expect at least 3 dice to show 1 or 2? So this is the next question. 6 dice are thrown 729 times. So n is equal to 6 and 729 times we have to denote it by capital N because it is a large number. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊരു പോപ്പുലേഷൻ ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഇതൊരു സാമ്പിൾ, ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് എടുക്കുന്ന ചെറിയൊരു സാമ്പിൾ, ചെറിയൊരു നമ്പർ n 6. How many times do you expect at least 3 dice to show 1 or 2? Okay. So let P be the probability of getting 1 or 2. What is P? What is the probability of getting 1? It is 1 by 6. 2 also 1 by 6. So it is 2 by 6. Or it is 1 by 3. 1 or 2 means probability of getting 1 plus probability of getting 2. So that is 1 by 3. Then Q is 1 minus 1 by 3. It is 2 by 3. So the question is, how many times do you expect at least 3 dice to show? So we have to define the random variable x, that is number of dice to show 1 or 2. So probability of getting 1 or 2 and the corresponding number of dice is, or number of dice is x. So p of x follows binomial and it is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. n is 6, so 6cx 1 by 3 raised to x 2 by 3 raised to 6 minus x. Okay, x varies from 0 to 6, 0, 1, etc. up to 6. So the question is, how many times do you expect at least 3 dice? So x is at least 3 means x greater than or equal to 3. So it is probability that x is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5 plus P of 6. P of 3 is 6c3 1 by 3 raised to 3 2 by 3 raised to 3. Then P of 4 is 6c4 1 by 3 raised to 4 2 by 3 raised to 2. Then P of 5 6c5 1 by 3 raised to 5 2 by 3 raised to 1. Then P of 6 is 6c6 1 by 3 raised to 6 2 by 3 raised to 0. So adding these values we get the required probability. And it is again it is asked to find the number of times. How many times do you expect? So we have to find the expectation. So E of expectation of the random variable x. E of x is n into p, mean. So n is, what is the value of n? Here n is the capital N. So it is 729 into the corresponding probability. The probability we obtained from here. Okay. So we can multiply n and p and the answer is 233. Okay. Again, next question. If 6 of 80 new buildings in a city violate the building code, 6 of 80 new buildings in a city violate the building code, what is the probability that a building inspector who randomly selects 4 of the new buildings will catch none, exactly 1 and at least 2 of the new building? So here let P be the probability of violating, probability of building new building in a violate the building code. So building code is violated. Probability of building code violating the building code. So what's the value of P? 6 out of 18 എന്നല്ലേ, 6 out of 18. So 6 upon 18, 6 by 18, or it is 1 by 3. Okay. So what is Q? Q is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3, it is 2 by 3. Then an inspector selects randomly 4 of the new buildings. So n is equal to 4. Let x is the number of buildings that is violating the code. Okay, number of buildings that is violating the code. So P of x follows a binomial distribution because n is 4. NCX p raised to x q raised to n minus x from 0, 1, etc. up to n. So it is 4cx 1 by 3 raised to x, 2 by 3 raised to 4 minus x. X is equal to 0, 1 up to 4. Okay. Then, what is the first question? What is the probability that he will catch none? So, P of x is equal to 0. That is 4c0, 1 by 3 raised to 0, 2 by 3 raised to 4. Okay, so it is 4c0 is 1, this is also 1. So it is 2 by 3 raised to 4. Second question, exactly 1. He will catch exactly 1. So P of x is equal to 1. It is 4c1, 1 by 3 raised to 1, 2 by 3 raised to 3. So it is 4c1 is 4, 1 by 3, it is 2q by 3q. So it is 32 by 81. Then third one, at least 2 of the new building. So at least 2 means greater than or equal to 2. So it is easier to find the complement. 1 minus p of x less than 2. X greater than or equal to 2 means x is equal to 2, 3, 4. And which are the complements? That is the values of x not belonging to this set 0. So 1 minus p of x is equal to 0 and 1. This is easy to calculate. Okay, here we have to calculate the 3 values. So it is 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1 minus of. So it is 1 minus of 4c0, 1 by 3 raised to 0, 2 by 3 raised to 4 plus 4c1, 1 by 3 raised to 1, 2 by 3 raised to 4. Okay, so it is 1 minus 4c0 is 1, this is also 1, so 2 raised to 4 by 3 raised to 4 plus 4 into 2q by 3q. So it is 1 minus, it is 16 by 81 plus here also 32 by 81. So it is 1 minus upon 81, 48. Okay. So it is 1 minus 48 by 81 is 81 minus 48, 81 minus 48, 33 by 81. Okay.